In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to register an active Workbench session with EKM and then use the EKM web interface to monitor, edit, and update the project from a remote location. Let's say that I'm working on a Workbench project in the office, which may run for a long time, and I want to work on it later from home or while traveling. I'm going to leave the project open in Workbench on my local machine. I could even have the project solving locally. Just before I leave the office, I'm going to register the Workbench session with EKM. To do this, I'll select File, Register Session with Repository. If I had not created a connection previously with the EKM repository, I could do so now by clicking the Create New Connection icon and following the steps in the connection wizard. However, since I have created a connection before, all I need to do is click Register. A dialog box confirms that I have successfully registered the session with EKM and that a job object has been created for the session in the Job Monitor in EKM. Imagine now that I'm away from the office and have a laptop with me. I'm going to open a web browser on the laptop and then enter the URL of the EKM server in the address bar. I will then enter my username and password and sign into EKM. In EKM, I'm going to go to the main drop box in the top left corner of the application window and select Jobs. This displays the Job Monitor page. Here I can see the job object that was created for the registered session. Its status is Connected. I'm going to click the job object to open the project view. The Status tab displays the name of the Workbench project, along with various panels to help me view and control information relating to the project. I'm going to add a design point to the project. In the Design Points panel, I'm going to add a new design point to the Design Points table and specify input values. Note that I can also copy and delete design points in this panel. I can now select my new design point and update it. The design point is currently updating on my office computer where Workbench is running. I can view the progress of the update by expanding the Progress panel. Any errors will be reported in the Messages panel. Notice that while the design point is being updated, no actions are available on the Project Actions toolbar. When the design point update is finished, the actions become available again. Next, I can click the Update Project icon to run an update in the component system, which in this case is Fluent. I can also use the Command Window console to directly enter Workbench scripting commands that will steer the solution. When I'm done, I can save the project. Remember that all of this has been happening on my machine back at the office. Now, even though I used the standard EKM web interface for this demonstration, I could have also used EKM's mobile interface to view, edit, or update design points, update the project, and even view a simulation details report using my mobile phone. This concludes the demonstration on remotely controlling a Workbench project with EKM.